It is very comfortable. Alrighty folks, the bed comes here. We got it nicely packaged sealed, vacuum sealed, and we have some directions on here as well. Now this is a 10-inch hybrid mattress, and just like all my videos, top link in the description box below is this exact same 10-inch hybrid mattress where you guys can learn more about it and pick it up after the video is done. And I have my bed right here. Forgive the beautiful wall color painting. I am in a full remodel, but we have my nice bed right here. And what we want to do here is we want to follow the directions here. We're going to go ahead and put it on the bed. Find the seal, remove the seal of the top layer. That's going to put air to the mattress. We're going to roll it out. And this does come in a nice long rectangle box, as is inside the box. So let's go ahead and put it in the correct order. Okay, so it has a protective film cover first and foremost over it for protection. And then we go ahead and remove that and see how it's trying to unwind now. So I need to put this area to the top and then roll it out. Now, just a little heads up for you here. This is a queen size mattress, queen size bed frame. When I first put that full roll on before I removed the protective cover, it actually hung on both ledges here. The reason why is it's all bound up, but once you unbind it, and then it goes in between the size of whatever bed that you have. They also give you a nice envelope with directions, and they give you a little cutting tool. I recommend this over a knife. Do be careful though, even using this. We're gonna go ahead and slice through this a little bit, and actually I can hear a little bit of air coming in there after you roll off the first protective cover. But let's go ahead and cut through this, and we'll let it expand. Okay, beautiful. Now remember, because this is a hybrid mattress, it's going to come to life a lot quicker right as you open it up. It will really expand and expand quickly. Now, directions do state to wait 48 hours to let it fully come to life. It depends on where you live. If it's summertime where you live and your house is hot, it's going to come to life. And when I mean come to life, fully expand in 48 hours. But directions do state if you do have a colder home, it could take up to 72 hours. So we'll go ahead and let it rise. Fits perfectly within my queen bed frame. You got a nice logo right here on the very end. It's a good looking mattress as well. Obviously you're not going to see it, but with your sheets on it, first impressions, we're looking good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been several days now. So once again, you have your springs down here at the bottom. That's why it's called the hybrid right here, right? So you got your springs down here at the bottom. The springs actually go into this little section here. So you get like just a nice, and in my personal opinion, let me go ahead and kick my slips off, a very comfortable. It is very comfortable. I am used to memory foam mattresses. When I do stay at a nice plush hotel, this is the type of bed that you kind of used to. Again, no wiggle waggle with any springs. You're not hearing any springs. I'm not feeling any springs. And it's just a little bit different because I am used to a memory foam mattress. Now, with that said, this is going to be a little bit softer than the current memory foam that I do have. So if you're looking for more of a softer one that kind of conforms to your body, then this is definitely your go-to. Feels nice and soft on my head. Forgive the microphone, but let's go ahead and roll around on it here. Now, obviously, because it is spring, you would feel a little bit more over there on that side. If someone is getting out of bed and the other person is sleeping in, you're going to have a little bit more fill to it because obviously spring is a little bit different than a memory foam. Overall, I like it. It's soft. Thumbs up in my book. Once again, top link in the description box below will be this exact same 10-inch hybrid mattress where you guys can pick it up yourselves. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you